Good day to everyone. I hope you're doing well. My name is Thineish Naidu and I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Science in Project and Facility Management with honors at Open University Malaysia. Today I am excited to present a topic that is not only crucial for the future of our education system but also relevant to every student, teacher and school administrators. The focus of my presentation is the powerful relationship between interior design and facility management, two disciplines that, when integrated effectively, have the ability to shape positive learning environments in secondary schools. Throughout this session, I will walk through various components of facility management and interior design, explain their individual contributions, and show how their collaborations significantly influence student performance, well-being, and engagement. I will also share a real-world case study from Malaysia school that has actually successfully implemented this synergy, and finally, I will present the key recommendations that can be adapted by secondary schools across the country. Understanding facility management and interior designs in schools. Let's begin with some clarity on facility management and interior designs really are. Facility management, or FM, refers to professional discipline that ensures functionality, comfort, safety and efficiency of built environment. It involves everything from daily operations and scheduled maintenance to long-term strategic planning for physical infrastructures. Interior designs, or ID, focuses on aesthetic and functional aspects of space. It goes beyond just using furniture or painting walls. Interior designers consider how lighting, colors, material, furniture, layout and acoustics interact to support specific activities. In our context, educational activities. In school environment, facility management and interior design are not isolated fields. They just work in tandem. For instance, an interior designer may choose large windows for natural daylight, but without proper facility management to maintain those windows and blinds, the room might become too hot or too bright, defeating the purpose. So the integration of facility management and interior design ensures that educational spaces are not only well designed but also well maintained, adaptable, user-friendly. This synergy creates environments that inspire students, reduce stress and promote academic success. Importance of facility management in schools. Facility management is often invisible when it works well, but it becomes painfully obvious when it fails. In schools, FM affects almost every aspect of daily life, from how clean the toilets are to whether classrooms are too hot or if the lights and fans are working. Poorly managed facilities create frustration and distractions. Students might be less willing to concentrate if they are sitting on a broken chair or sweating in an unventilated room. Teachers might feel demotivated if they constantly need to report malfunctioning equipment. A robust FM system ensures that systems are not just fixed when they break, but regularly monitored to prevent breakdowns. This includes preventive maintenance on plumbing, electrical system, fire safety and equipment, and HVAC systems. Post-COVID-19, FM responsibilities have expanded to include sanitations, ventilation monitoring, and crowd flow planning to ensure physical distancing. These roles are now directly linked to students' health and confidence in their learning environment. Role of interior design in learning. Interior design can often be underestimated in context of education, but influence on students' performance is backed by solid research psychology. The colors of the walls can affect mood. For example, cool tones like blue and green are calming, while warmer tones like orange and red can be energizing but may become overstimulating. ID professionals balance this fit to purpose of the room. Classroom layout is another key factor. Flexible desks arrangements encourage collaborations. Quiet reading corners allow individuals to focus. Breakout spaces can accommodate small group projects. ID also involves sensory experience, the texture of materials, acoustic insulations to minimize noise, and soft furnishings to create comfort. All of these contribute to students feeling relaxed, focused, and ready to learn. When facility management and interior design work together intentionally, the outcome is greater than the sum of its parts. The synergy between FM and interior design: consider a classroom with beautiful design, ergonomic chairs, color balanced walls, and optimized lighting. If FM does not ensure those lights are functional, if air conditioning units are not regularly serviced, students and teachers will struggle. On the other hand, a well-maintained classroom that lacks thoughtful design may be functional but not inspiring. Students may find it dull, uncomfortable, or stressful. A good synergy example in lighting system: interior design selects LED fixtures for reduced glare and warm lighting, while FM schedules regular inspections and replace faulty units. Together, they ensure both the design and experience last long term. As for my example in case study, I have chosen SMK Damansara Utama. Let's look at example Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Damansara Utama, or SMKDU. The school implemented a smart classroom concept that brought together elements for both facility management and interior design. Facility management installs such as smart boards, digital projectors, CO2 sensors, and efficient air filtration system. These features not only support the digital learning but also improve health and comfort. Meanwhile, interior designers created open, flexible spaces with modular desks, writable wall panels, calming paint schemes, and quiet zones with noise-cancelling panels. The school observed several improvements: increased student alertness, fewer absence due to sickness, and more participating during lessons. Teachers also expressed satisfaction with comfort and adaptability of the spaces. This case highlights how real collaborations between facility management and interior designs lead to measurable academics and psychological benefits for both students and staff. Impact on students' performance. This is strong evidence showing that the learning environments directly impact students' performance. Poor acoustics, dim lighting, or distracting layouts can cause stress and lower concentration levels. In contrast, students placed in well-designated and well-maintained classrooms show improvements in test scores, focus, motivations, and even emotional well-being. Facilities with poor air quality can cause fatigue and illness. A noisy environment can prevent students from hearing instructions. Even uncomfortable chairs can cause physical pain and distracts from learning. When facility management and interior design address these issues together, the result is physical environment that supports the mental and emotional needs of the learners, a key factor in academic achievement. Recommendation for secondary schools. Based on everything we've seen and here are my detailed recommendations for schools. Design classroom with flexible, ergonomic furniture that can be reconfigured easily. Using calming color palettes such as soft green, pale blue, or earth tones to improve focus and reduce anxiety. Install sound absorbing panels and minimize echo to allow clear communication between teachers and learners. Implement air quality sensors and smart thermostats to control temperature and humidity. Introduce routine maintenance plans using facility management software to track and manage issues. Finally, establishing regular meetings or collaboration checkpoints between facility management and interior design. Consultants whenever new renovation or changes and plan. Conclusion: I hope now that clear the interior design and facility managements are not separate roles but complementary forces that, when brought together, can create powerful, effective learning environments. These environments not only support academic performance but also contribute to student well-being, safety and emotional balance, especially crucial in post-pandemic world. Our schools are not just buildings. These are ecosystems where young minds grow. If we care about the students' achievements, then we must also care about the condition and design of the spaces they inhabit daily. Thank you for all of the time and attentions. I hope these presentations has given you deeper understandings of why facility management and interior design integrations matters and how it can transform secondary educations. Thank you.